Hey guys, if the leak and rumor are to be believed, the iPhone SE4 is due to be become official in March 2024, and this one should be the single big upgrade in the history of the Apple mid-range special edition lineup. One important details about the iPhone SE4 has changed big time. Say Apple is now will be equipped to iPhone SE. What's instantly the same 48 megapixel camera has the $800 iPhone 15 instead of the same camera? Well, if you don't care about your camera all that much, it really isn't. But if you do, you'll be glad to know that the iPhone 15 48 megapixel camera is one of the biggest camera upgrade in Apple entire history, which make it potential addition to the iPhone SE. Pretty excited. The context of the iPhone SE4 transition from a single 12 megapixel camera to the much more premium 48 megapixel sensor instead of a 12 plus 12 dual cam setup would be also help Apple mid-range phone do a trick called sensor cropping, giving a 2x optical quality zoom camera without that need for a 2x sensor that could be make the phone pricier while performing those in a low light photography. So I am very much excited about the iPhone SE4 camera quality. By the way, I am already making a dedicated another video about the iPhone SE4. Learn more about the iPhone SE4, click this video and check it out. And if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.